In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an Uber with a car seat for a safe and convenient ride with your little one. Whether you're headed to the airport or just across town, knowing how to do this can make traveling with children a breeze. First, let's start by launching the Uber application on your mobile device. You can easily find the app on your home screen or in your app drawer if you're using an Android phone. Once the app is open, ensure you're logged in to your account. If it's been a while, you might also want to check that your payment details are up to date to avoid any hiccups during the process. With the app up and running, the next thing you need to do is set your locations. You'll see little text boxes on the screen where you need to enter your desired pickup and drop-off locations. Whether it's your home address or your current location for pickup, make sure everything is accurate. It's particularly important when you're dealing with kids, as you don't want any extra delays. Once you've set your locations, it's time to scroll through the ride options until you find the one marked Uber Car Seat or simply Car Seat. This option ensures that your ride will come equipped with the necessary child safety seats. It's designed for parents who demand not just convenience but safety as well. Make sure you select the option that fits your specific needs because sometimes the choices might vary based on availability at your location. After selecting your preferred ride option, you will need to confirm the details. At this stage, you might see an updated fare, reflecting any additional surcharges associated with providing a car seat. This is purely to cover the cost associated with this special service, and peace of mind is well worth the small added expense. Once you've booked your ride, it's a good idea to contact your assigned driver. You can easily call or message them directly through the app. This is a great moment to confirm the specific child seats you'll need, be it an infant seat or one for a toddler. It's always best to make sure everything is clear before your driver arrives. Now, when it's about time for the driver to arrive, find a safe spot where your driver can pull over without any hassle. This will allow extra time for them to correctly install the car seat or seats. It's not only thoughtful, but ensures everything is safely secured before your journey begins. Finally, remember that the trip will only start once the car seats are correctly installed and your child is safely buckled in. If you have any questions or concerns, your driver should be more than willing to assist. And there you have it, a smooth and safe Uber ride equipped with everything you need for young travelers. Happy travels and always stay safe.